I'm Stanley, Product Manager of the Advantech Industrial IoT Business Group. I'm honored here today to introduce our new joint products with Microsoft, the WISE-4050 Azure Sphere Data Acquisition Solution. Here with us is Microsoft's IoT Solution Architect, Bert. Welcome, Bert. I would like to start off with the recent case in Florida regarding cyber threats. As you see on the left, hackers use the remote software to enter the SCADA systems of the water plant. They changed the parameter from 10 ppm to 11,000 ppm. These adjustments have a great impact on the systems and endangers the life safety of the field operators. Fortunately, an employee discovered the hack and the ransoms was stopped before it was activated. The tables on the right is the data given from the information security research company. As you can see, the top 6 threats are all network security vulnerabilities, with the exception of the first point, which is related to system traffic and computing performance. Most of the others are related to communication protocols or access devices. Depending on the methods or level of encryption, recent studies has pointed out that all infrastructures and devices are targets for hackers to penetrate and control. These old devices are old automatic systems without any security tools. Protecting this type of older generation of systems and its data becomes our top priority. And this is the reason why we choose to cooperate with Microsoft Azure Sphere. Here, Bert is going to share more information on the advantage of Azure Sphere.
Hi, my name is Bert. I'm an IoT solution architect from Microsoft. In the past few years, we have seen major changes in the relevant market reports for the IoT industry. 91% of enterprises have begun to import IoT technology, and 83% of them have already entered the stage of use. This is very different from what we have seen in the past few years, that most companies are still in the learning and testing stage. They have moved from the learning and testing stage to the procurement and use stage. 90% of enterprises believe that the Internet of Things is decisive for their success, and 94% of enterprises are satisfied with the introduction of IoT technology. This data span all industries and also confirm that the IoT has shifted from theory to practical applications. In addition, the most popular topic in the IoT world is device and data security. Security is of great concern to everyone, every organization and enterprise. When we ask business decision makers why they were hesitant to connect to the Internet, 97% of people said they were worried about security, but only 1/3 of them realized that they don't know how to manage the security of edge devices. We have seen several factors driving security requirements, many from the increasing number of ransomware attacks on IoT devices, the continuous evolution of IoT security regulations, and the increasing security concern about critical infrastructure. As devices connect to the Internet, everyone begins to realize the security issue of IoT and OT devices. Without carefully taking care of security, the enterprise might suffer financial losses, IP theft, and facilities unsafety. We observe that the manufacturing industry is 8 times more likely to be attacked than the other industry due to the theft of intellectual property. We have also seen many examples of financial losses caused by ransomware shutting down various facilities and causing downtime. One of the most famous is ransomware called NotPetya, which caused billions of dollars in losses to global industrial companies. A large American pharmaceutical company lost nearly $1 billion due to downtime and virus cleanup. There are countless incidents caused by ransomware, which also tells us that security is an important issue that cannot be ignored in the IoT era. To counter the rising security threats, Microsoft Azure Sphere was built with the understanding that IoT durability requires the 7 properties in every system. The 7 properties were identified empirically by looking at standalone devices that withstood years of attack. There is not a single example of a connected standalone device that has withstood years of attack without the 7 properties. Some of the properties are delivered in hardware, some are through software, and some depend on a cloud service. These properties work together to protect devices from attack and to allow security to be renewed and updated over time as threats evolve. It may sound easy to create a highly secure IoT device with 7 properties, but meeting these 7 properties is difficult and costly to do on your own. You must have the technical expertise to weave together security components into a coherent end-to-end solution, because your device is only as secure as your weakest link. Beyond your technical solution, you must have security experts who can recognize emerging security threats and can respond in real time. Finally, you need the infrastructure and the process and execution excellence to update all of your devices rapidly on a global scale. We recognize how hard this is. Let's see how Azure Sphere can help. Azure Sphere MCU is built with the philosophy of the 7 properties of highly secure IoT devices. We introduced a new class of MCU with built-in Wi-Fi for networking, built-in Microsoft security technology that we called Proton Security, and powerful crossover MCU comprised of ARM Cortex-A and Cortex-M4 processors, unifying high-performance, low-latency, and power-efficient cores. Each core and its associated subsystem is in a different trust domain. The root of trust resides in the Proton Security subsystem. Each layer of the architecture assumes that the layer above it may be compromised. Within each layer, resources, isolation, and compartmentalization provide added security. Azure Sphere MCU provides a dependable hardware root of trust. Every Azure Sphere chip has a unique identity that is born in the factory, which means manufacturers don't need to go through the process of assigning certificates and identities on their own. And they have advanced security measures that guard against physical attacks, device impersonation, and supply chain tampering. Azure Sphere is an end-to-end solution for securing IoT devices. You can use it to secure your existing mission-critical equipment or to build new devices that are secure from the start. Our integrated hardware, software, and cloud services work seamlessly together and deliver active security by default. Every Azure Sphere device comes with over 10 years of security and OS updates. We build, manage, and deploy these updates directly to the devices, so device manufacturers can focus their energy on the applications and features they want to deliver to customers, and not the rigorous work it takes to manage a secure operating system. Now let's see how Azure Sphere hardware partner Advantech brings the highest security to the industrial area.
Before introducing our first product with Microsoft, the WISE-4250AS, I would like to give a quick introduction of the Advantech Industrial Wireless Data Acquisition Solution and our WISE-4000 wireless I/O modules. In recent years, Advantech has continued to develop wireless solutions, including sensors, gateways, and I/O modules. In addition to Ethernet and Wi-Fi, or 3G, 4G, 5G solutions, Advantech has also been working on popular LPWAN's wide coverage, long distance, low power consumption wireless technologies such like LoRaWAN, NB-IoT, LTE-M, or proprietary sub-G solution. All in all, Advantech provides a variety of wireless technology communication integration solution in order to accelerate the progress of IoT. The WISE-4000 Wireless I/O is a product series that integrates a variety of wireless and I/O solutions. Our clients are able to choose the wireless technology and I/O solutions that suit their applications, then connect quickly to their devices, and finally transfer data from the field to their system. Such a flexible modular design takes our clients into the world of the Internet of Things with ease. Now let's get into know the WISE-4250AS. WISE-4250AS is a dual-band Wi-Fi product. The software includes the Azure Sphere solution, and the hardware inherits the modular designs of the WISE-4000 series. WISE-4250AS also supports a variety of different I/O versions for users to choose from. This is the overall program contents of WISE-4250AS. Along with the WISE-4250AS hardware, users will get a WISE Azure Sphere wireless communication module as well as an I/O or temperature and humidity sensor module suitable for user applications. In addition, on the software side, Advantech provides a complete SDK library. Through simple parameter settings, users are able to easily connect to their own Azure accounts, connect to field Wi-Fi AP instantly, and transfer data for real-time monitoring and analysis on client systems. The entire WISE-4250 Azure Sphere family contains a ready-to-use temperature and humidity sensor module, WISE-S231, which can be used for ambient temperature and humidity monitoring. Users can use this solution for environmental monitoring on production lines, warehouses, shopping malls, restaurants, or their own stores. If users have their own sensor solution, they can use Advantech industrial I/O modules. Advantech's I/O modules have high precision and high sampling rates in analog and digital input design, which can be applied in current, voltage, facility monitoring applications, and more. Users can also use the RS-485 serial port for meters or PLC docking, or choose the terminal block or M12 solutions for different applications indoor or outdoors. Furthermore, Advantech provides customized service to meet each application needs. Now that we're talking about the downstream service, let's look at the connections of the upstream data stream. First, the software running on the WISE-42AS needs to go through Azure Sphere Security Service and perform software authorizations and updates, reducing the risk of software tampering or being modified by malware. This ensures the devices are able to instantly rectify, update, and deploy the latest defense technologies. At the same time, through updates of cloud-assisted diagnosis and design, users are able to continuously revise and improve the service and applications of the overall solutions to maximize the solution value. Simply put, Azure Sphere Security Service provides a highly secure and highly flexible software update service, which ensures the products are at the cutting edge of the IoT. In addition to directly using Microsoft's own Azure service for application data, users can choose to connect data to third-party cloud platforms, such as Advantech Device on BI for visualization or data analysis. The Device on BI launched by Advantech is a business integration platform, which helps users quickly integrate the data of different devices in the factories and manage them on the cloud systems. With the assistance of Microsoft Azure, the work and development times of all infrastructure has been minimized, so that Device on BI can focus more on the user sides. The whole systems reflect the indispensable contents in the factories and define the management the scope required for overall operations management. Device on BI consists of two parts: device management platforms, and data management platforms. Device management allows users to easily manage connected edge devices through a cloud platform. In addition to base remote configuration, real-time data chains, monitoring, and event logging for different device types, device management platform can also remote update device firmware or install software platforms. Furthermore, for specific field applications such as energy management or equipment vibration analysis, users who have further needs for data analysis can manage, analyze, and visualize data through data management. Therefore, combined with Azure Sphere and Device on BI, WISE-4250AS can perform effective data collection and data management in an information security environment. Here I share with you a practical application. The health status of equipment is one of the key indicators that affect the production efficiency of the product. We are able to check the health status of equipment through performance indicators such as the current consumptions, operating temperature status, equipment vibration status, and so on. Of course, in order to avoid misjudgments, we have to make sure that these remote monitoring values are accurate and have not been tampered with by hackers. Therefore, using WISE-4250AS through an encrypted connections mechanism of Azure Sphere is essential. WISE-4250AS can protect data from random tampering, thereby protecting the whole system to run under high performance conditions. In addition to remote operation and maintenance of equipment, energy management is a very important part of the automation systems. Take energy consumption management in shopping malls as an example. WISE-4250AS is able to collect energy management data from the field and provide users with effective information through graphical presentations and software tools on Azure. Allow users to instantly understand the status of equipment and its energy consumption. Of course, temperature and energy monitoring applications are not the only use of WISE-4250AS. Taking store warehouse management as an example, WISE-4250AS not only monitoring current environmental data, but users can also perform real-time monitoring directly from their application service, such as Azure, and instantly downlink applications. For example, users can able to instantly adjust freezer's temperature, fan size, and lighting settings to ensure the product's preservation quality. In addition to above application solutions, Advantech is actively deploying IoT solution in its smart park in Linkou. We use WISE-4250AS to monitor the status of variety factory facilities, such as liquid level monitoring, which is essential in wastewater treatment. WISE-4250AS is connected to the liquid level sensor, which can be accessed remotely as well as real-time monitoring applications, reduce the burden of factory or general personnel, and improve the operation efficiency of equipment. WISE-4250AS is also used to monitor the power consumptions of each equipment in the park detection. The exhaust equipment of the HVAC air conditioning systems, the water pump of the cooling water towers, and the water systems. The power consumption detections of the elevators or floor lights of each buildings to ensure the utilization rate, performance, and energy consumption of the equipment meet the goal of sustainable operations of the enterprise. This is the introduction of today's WISE-4000 Azure Sphere series products. If you would like to know more information on these products, please go to Advantech's official website and search for WISE-4250AS or contact Advantech directly for more information. Thank you so much, Birch, for participating today. Thanks everyone for watching. See you next time. Thank you.